Welcome to another video of Glamvila. Today I am going to show you all on how to make this bib style pendant in the clay. This is a very beautiful pendant which you can wear it on your Indo-Western style dresses. It is very beautiful. I have used actually 3 colors in this and highlighting with antique gold. This is very easy to make. In my next video I will show you on how to do the finishing, but today I'll show you on how to make this terracotta pendant. And after the firing you can do the finishing and attach the thread and some accessories and wear it. I have given some small painting work which I have not used any impressions. It's with just brush work. You can just have a closer look. It's very beautiful. I've attached a tassel also in antique gold color thread. Now let's see what materials are required for this terracotta pendant. Clay, and I have used 2 sizes of round cutters, the big one and the small one. And the big one is approximately, I'll show you the measurement. The small one is approx 6 centimeters diameter. The big one is 8.9 centimeter diameter. You can even take it as 9 or 10 centimeters also. It will be slightly bigger than what I'm showing it today. This is a small tool which I'll be using it for making the smaller lines, that fine intricate work. This is the knife which I'll be using for the bigger lines. The sharp edge is very important to give a good finishing. I've rolled out the clay. You can see my previous video for the thickness and other details. Now I'm going to cut the bigger round. Remove this extra clay. Do not disturb it. Disturb the round one what we have cut. Just slightly remove the extra clay. Now you can see that the round is ready, the base for the pendant. Now I'll use the smaller one and cut it into the bib style pendant. I'm adjusting it so that I'll cut the required size and remove this extra one. Now you can see it looks in a different shape. Now I'll show you on how to cut the extra clay part so that it looks like a pendant. Take any tool for the equal measurement, mark it on both the sides of the pendant so that you get an equal size pendant. It will not look odd. Remove that extra clay with the sharp knife. Give a straight cut so that there are no inequalities. Now slightly take some oil and just spread it over so that if there are any uneven surfaces or any impressions or anything, it just goes off and you get a clean pendant. See, now you can see once you rub it with your hand slowly, you can see the difference. Now let's start with the impression. I'm taking the knife, and first one I'll start with a smaller line, and now parallel to it I'll give a little more gap and draw a line, and now again small, then the bigger one. Alternatively I've done both small and big one. The distance maintenance is very important to give a good look. You can do 3 or 4 sizes also. I'm just showing it 2 sizes of lines what I've drawn. Now let's do the finer details what I've told the smaller one. Now what I will do is I'll put an X mark and the next X connecting the other the top X. You can see the size. The small one, I've used a very small one. Now X and the next X connecting the top one. That will continue till the end. These work when you do the painting and finishing, it gives a very elegant look to the jewelry. Repeat these kind of impressions for all the smaller ones wherever you have done. You can see now I'm putting an X mark and the next one. it just follows the same X mark or the multiplication symbol. Here I just tried a different way. I've just put a crisscross line and the other crisscross line connecting the first one. See, you can see the crisscross line and now the other one where you get an X mark. Here I'm just again showing you on how to put the X mark and connecting it. Now again I'm showing you the X marks. Now I'm showing you on how to put the X mark and connecting it. This is the crisscross line and I've put the other crisscross line connecting the first one. Now our finer designs are done. Now what is important is you need to put three holes into it so that you can just later on put a jump ring and connect the thread to it. So now one on the left side top, one on the right side top, and now I'll use one more. I'll be putting another hole so that I can put the tassels. If you want to skip it, you can do it. It is up to you. However you want, you can do it. Now our pendant is ready. See how beautiful it looks. That's very beautiful one. You can just have a look. You can try it out at home, and if you do have any doubts, you can just drop comment and I will definitely get back to you. In my previous video, one of them had asked about the red firing video. The red firing is not that easy. It almost has to be done and for 7 to 8 hours. So I'll make a video on tips and other things for the red firing also, and I'll post it. Now you can see the difference between the clay pendant and the finished product. In the next video I will be showing you on how to do the finishing, painting and connecting the adding the thread, accessories and all. You can just stay tuned to watch on how to do the finishing for this. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you all have liked my video. Please do like and subscribe to Glamvila.